Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so if we look at this circuit, which is shown in this figure, right? So all these three resistors, they have identical resistance, right? So, and let's call them R1, R2, and R3. But you remember they have the same resistance. So the current goes through R1 and R2, which is I1 and I2, should be identical, right? Because they have the same resistance. And according to the junction rule, it should be half of I3, right? So in any case, R3 has most current go through it. Okay. Now we know that the power equal to I square R, right? So because we know that there is a maximal power that a resistance can take. So when it reaches the maximal power, the R3 can reach it first, right? Because it has the largest current. The bigger current you have, the more power you have, right? So when the system is at the maximal power, so at this moment, pith R3 going to be equal to 48 volt because it has the most current. And in this case, P1 equal to P2 because in any case they have the same current equal to I1 squared R, right? And I1 is only half of I3, so it's going to be 1/4 I3 squared R, which is 1/4 P3. So the total power is going to be P1 plus P2 plus P3 is going to be equal to 3/2 P3, which will give us 3/2 times 48, which can give us 72 volts.